Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Let's dive right into today's episode. We are going to be discussing blockchain and ultimately the importance of blockchain when it comes to verification. So I had a conversation with one of my friends, and we were going over the fact that deepfake and AI is starting to look very realistic. And he had mentioned, so shout out to Will, he had mentioned that, you know what, with blockchain, that may be the only way you will be able to verify sources. So I definitely want you to all comment down below. So definitely subscribe and like the videos. But most importantly, I want you to think about this, and I'm going to present a couple of things that are out today that really got me thinking about this, and it's pretty serious because when you go to read an article, let's say 5 years from now, it may even be sooner, you do not know who published that article if it's the legit person, because with AI and specifically with videos, like somebody will be able to scan my face and make a video saying, oh, I sold all of my crypto. You know, let's say they say that you need to sell right now. And then they do like a little hit piece on all these projects. Like it could be fake news and we have no idea, right? So the idea of blockchain, right, is that you have a system, if you're using like Ethereum or say Bitcoin, but let's say smart contracts, and you're minting videos through the blockchain, or at least verification tokens, and you could verify if that video came from this person. Because, for example, you will have an asset ID number. We'll go over some specifics, but with that asset ID number, you can go to the person's profile, their official website, and you can be like, okay, 347694, that video matches, right? So, you've seen a lot of accounts where, people will add you and you'll look and you'll be like, oh, this isn't even the real account, but it's their image, right? It's just missing the check mark. But even for me, like I have people following me specifically on Twitter where I'm like, oh, that's a pretty big influencer. And then I'm like, okay, why would they follow me first off? And then, you have to really ask yourself, but it's going to get more difficult. That's the point. So comment down below. I'd like to hear your thoughts on, what do you think is going to happen in the future? So, today we're October 24th, 9 p.m. roughly, 2023, and I'm starting to see it. And there's a couple of videos in particular where, I'm just thinking like, there's so much misinformation. And, how are you going to be able to verify it when AI gets really, really good? So that's the main thing. So here's one of the videos. I'm not going to play it, but I'll maybe scrub through it. Now, this is a video of a car in the middle of a street and the smoke's going up. So if we skim through a little bit, you can see that this was built. I'm not sure if it was like Blender or some kind of After Effects tool, but it looks so realistic. And that's going to be a problem, right? Think about wars going around the world. You can take any city, you can add a person in there, and then like in the future, you will be able to easily create a video that looks indistinguishable from reality. We're heading towards that direction. Like I just watched the new Spider-Man, the video game trailer, and I was like, whoa, that is freaky. So that's where blockchain comes in, right? Because imagine this video, but 10 times better, and it's going to happen, right? Like you're going to have somebody come in here who's a prominent figure, right? It could be a president, whatever it may be. They're going to be like, hey, we're under attack. You have to, whatever it may be. And you're going to have to be able to verify those sources. And I think the only way is to use blockchain technology, right? So again, somebody's going to be able to, create a Crypto Moose account, pose as me. They could probably even jump on a on a call, right? And they'll sound like me. They'll be talking with the same mannerisms. They will have the same, meticulous behaviors, and they will have the same elements of facial features, everything, right? It's going to get really weird. And I think blockchain can save the day for that, right? Because that is something I've been thinking about. It's like, what are real use cases for blockchain? And definitely ID verification, right? And it could be a good thing or a bad thing, but I think it's going to be good. It will protect yourself from a lot of hacks and different things, right? And you're just going to have to verify a lot more videos. That's going to be a major thing that we see in the future. The other thing I've been seeing is unbelievable. I've been seeing people post this. So here's an image of a guy. Or here, we'll just take this one. And you take one image, and now you have like this whole yearbook thing. And I've seen some on Instagram. They look so good. I've seen people that, locally I know, or people that I follow, real estate agents. They take a photo, they upload it, and it looks so good. It looks like they were in that moment. And, I've been doing photo and video creation for a while professionally, and it's crazy. Like, you could take an image like this, right? And then you could be like, okay, I need a profile picture for Tinder. Probably won't use that one, but you could be like, you could become whatever you want in the future. So this is Facetune. There's tons of different ones, but look at what you can do. By the way, you got to be careful in the dating game. You don't know if you're meeting a 9 or 4. Like, you have no idea. Yeah, you do not know what you're meeting in person these days. So you got to be very careful. What's that song? Dude looks like a lady. So anyways, I just want to go over that. Be wary of these deep fakes. They are coming out, and who knows what's going to happen in the future. So comment down below. Do you think Crypto Moose is blowing this out of proportion? I think it's happening right now. I think it's a big deal. It's a very big deal. And blockchain technology can come in and save the day. It's an incredible use case, because the more we are integrating into the new, I'm not going to say new world order, but like the more we integrate into the digital world, we rely on technology through the internet. We rely on our Facebook, on our communication platforms. And if these are hindered by deep fakes and other AI technology where there's a lot of misinformation going on, it can be difficult to distinguish the truth from something that is fake. So that's something to think about. So by the way, right now, the market, we are going to hit it with another refresh. Bitcoin is at 34,281. We are October 24th, 2023. And Bitcoin is Cardano is starting to pump a little bit as well. So also, guys, check out the link in the description below. We have a free Cardano mini course, and we also have a brand new simple guide to cryptos and NFTs. That's all we have for you right now. Thank you all for tuning in. Subscribe, comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions. We'll see you in the next one.